Hello friends, hope all of you are doing great. I am Mamta Nagrat. In this video, I have come up with a new subject course, a master's degree program which is an English taught program. So let us begin the video. The Mechanical and Process Engineering from Technical University Berg Academy Freiburg. The University of Freiburg. A brief background about the university. Academic excellence. The University of Freiburg is one of the oldest and most renowned higher education institutions in Germany. Freiburg is listed among the best German universities according to the latest academic ranking of world universities. Our graduates and faculty members include a number of Nobel laureates and many are at top of their fields. We have partnerships with top universities, research institutions and businesses around the world. The University of Freiburg ranked 5th to 6th among German universities and has therefore consistently maintained its top position over the past few years. At the state level, Freiburg is the highest rated university in Baden-Württemberg after Heidelberg. Of the 1000 universities reviewed worldwide, Freiburg is ranked between 101 to 150. The degree course we are going to discuss is Master of Science. Teaching language is English. The course is Mechanical and Process Engineering. The language is all courses are conducted in English. Program duration 4 semester. Beginning winter semester. Application deadline. The application is made in 2 steps. Online registration prior to the actual application and deadline is 15th March. Wait to receive a request following the online registration. After receiving this request, the application documents must be sent by post to TU Berg Academy Freiburg. The link to the online registration form shall be given in the description box, which you can straight away refer and reach to the online registration. The university link to the university website shall also be provided in the description box so that you can straight away reach to the university website. The link to the DAAD website is also provided so that you can straight away reach to DAAD website for this particular subject course. The tuition fee per semester in euro is none. Description / content of the course. This degree program leads to advanced knowledge and skills, methodical and technical expertise in the field of mechanical and process engineering. After completing the program, students will be capable of identifying relevant information and problems. Furthermore, students will acquire skills that are necessary in order to be part of interdisciplinary groups. Job opportunities. The graduates will be well prepared to pursue successful careers in academia or research centers. In addition, they will fulfill the requirements to work in many industrial areas such as automotive, metallurgy, materials manufacturing and good processing. Curriculum / modules. The curriculum and modules link is provided in the description box. The course of study can be taken entirely online. You have to be present on the campus to study this course. Tuition fee per semester in euro is none. Semester contribution is 94 euro per semester. Cost of living is 500 euro to 750 euro per month depending on individual lifestyle. Rent and utilities is 170 euro to 320 euro per month. Funding opportunities within the universities are available. Description of the above mentioned funding opportunities within the universities is as below. Deutschland Stipendium. The Deutschland Stipendium is a national scholarship program that supports above average students with excellent grades, social commitment, a willingness to take responsibility, and special social, family, or personal circumstances will also be taken into account. 6 months, 300 euro per month are paid. Second, grants awarded to exceptionally committed students 3 to 4 months, 300 euro per month. Third, study completion grant 3 months, 300 euro per month. Academic admission requirements. A completed bachelor's degree or an equivalent degree in the field of mechanical engineering, process engineering, or other comparable studies. TOEFL with at least 90 points, internet based test, IELTS with at least 6.5 or equivalent English language certificates. Language requirements. TOEFL with at least 90 points, internet based test, IELTS with at least 6.5 or equivalent English language certificates. This does not apply for students with English as a native language. Application deadline. The application is made in 2 steps. Online registration prior to actual application. Deadline is 15th March. Second, wait to receive a request following the online registration. After receiving this request, the application documents must be sent by post or by mail to TU Berg Academy Freiburg. Submit application to. Before applying, applicants must register to apply for the program. This link is provided in the description box. Possibility of finding the part-time employment. It is possible to find part-time employment on campus, for example, as a student assistant or in the canteen. Accommodation. Different kinds of accommodations are available on campus and in the city of Freiburg, from single flat to shared flats. Prices vary from 170 euro to 320 euro, including utilities. In the dormitories, each student has his or her own room, but usually the bathrooms and the kitchen have to be shared with other flatmates. Living in a dormitory is usually the first choice for new international students. There is a good chance that you will get a place in dormitory if you have applied early. The International Office supports international students in finding accommodation. The link for finding accommodation for international students shall also be provided in the description box. So guys, this was the subject course on mechanical and process engineering from Freiburg University of Germany, which is ranked at a very high 5th to 6th among the German universities. It is and on the worldwide ranking, it is between 101 to 150 among the top 101 to 150 world ranking universities. And as far as this course is concerned, this is a very good course because there are a lot of opportunities as far as the career path is concerned. One can go in the research area after completing this course, or they can also join the industries like manufacturing industries in Germany. So guys, this is all about this course, and all the links which are relevant to this particular course, so that you can straight away reach to the links will be provided in the description box. And I hope this information is helpful to you, and in case you have any questions, please do ask in the comments box. Details of my email is also mentioned in the description box. So guys, thank you so much for giving your valuable time, and I hope, yeah, if you like the content, do subscribe my channel and give a like button and give a thumbs up. Thank you so much.